Hi everyone, it's 6 a.m. in the morning. I woke up around 4:30 and couldn't go back to sleep, so I decided to get up, have some coffee and come up here to the studio and start sewing a bag. My name is Sara, I'm a maker and welcome to my channel. So the first thing I do when I want to make a bag, other than deciding on the dimensions and the shape of the bag that I'm gonna make, is to choose all the fabrics. So to match the colors and to decide exactly what color fabric I'm gonna have where on the bag. So for this bag, I am using this nice navy blue fabric, and I'm mixing it up with some yellow, pink, black, and yeah, it's gonna be a kind of neutral slash funky bag. So from the outside it looks neutral, it's like more like navy and some black. Neutral meaning like not funky. But then when you look at the zipper and the pockets on the inside, it's like completely bursting with color. That's the look I'm going for. I actually love waking up early. It feels like I gained time that didn't exist. like I feel like while everyone else is asleep, or most people are asleep, I'm up and I'm doing something productive, and it's like as if I'm the only one who has this time, or was given this extra time to do this stuff. Yeah, it just feels almost magical. So something I don't necessarily like about the way I do my bag patterns is drawing it out does take a lot of time. The good thing about that is that you're always checking your dimensions, you're always kind of going over the pattern again and again. I mean, my pattern has changed so much over the years, and also kind of going over the dimensions again and again makes it really like much more accurate. And I think that's something that's good, especially because it's a handmade bag. So I took a bit of a nap and I had clipped some pieces in place, and I'm going to now sew them. And this is the final result. I'm really happy with this result. I was nervous about the color combination I used. I wasn't sure if the pink and yellow would look good or childish as accent colors, but I think they turned out really nice. This bag is designed to be an everyday bag that you can carry for general use or for work. So it fits a 13-inch laptop, as well as other things like notebooks or toiletry bag, wallets, keys, phone, etc. And it even fits a water bottle. I made this bag as a birthday gift for my mother-in-law, and I think I might make a duplicate for myself. I just really love the color combination. If you've been enjoying this video, it would mean the world to me for you to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and even comment what you think. I would like to thank all of my 18 subscribers for showing interest in my work and for motivating me to keep sharing more content like this. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.